Hi guys, and welcome back to my makeup channel. So I am so bored right now, so I've decided to actually make, I guess, a video on it. It'll be very quick, but yeah, so I've done all my foundation, my eyebrows and everything, so I'll just show you what I will be using. So normally, also I'm shooting in HD, or like, I don't even know, but it's very high definition, so you can see all my imperfections right now. Yeah, so I guess like what I normally use is this makeup palette by MAC. So I'm gonna oh my god, it actually is trying to focus, but it's not. Oh my gosh, it's focusing. Okay, so what sort of? No, it's not focusing. No, it is. Okay, so it's this MAC makeup palette. As you can see, it's kind of being used quite a lot, but I normally go for all of the colours, but especially the middle one, the copper, these as well, and I usually use this one as a base colour and then build it up with like the brown or the purple on the edges, outer corner of my eyes, and I use either this copper or this kind of shimmery purple in the middle just to brighten my eyes. Okay, yes, now it's refocused. So I usually use a large kind of fluffy brush, and so I'll show you how I do kind of like a day makeup look, and then also how I do more like a nighttime one. So as I said before, I'll be using that colour to just build up. So normally I get a bit on my brush. I hope this doesn't go everywhere. And normally kind of just like go over the eyelid. Kind of just build it up everywhere. Also do not have a mirror right now, so this is like a mistake. Hi, welcome to my life. My life is a mistake. Okay, so try and build up on the other eye as well. And usually I kind of try and blend it out a bit more as well, so just over the entire eye. And I kind of try and blend out the corners, and then I'll just go back to this one as well and just try and blend it out a bit more. Don't worry, I'll be moving back in with like the shimmery colours, so it's a bit more blended out. So it doesn't look like I actually have a black eye or anything. So like this. So usually I use that to kind of put a bit colour under my eyes as well, because that just, I don't know, helps to open up a bit, I guess. So I'll probably use around the same dark colour, just around the outer corners. And just kind of go along the bottom edge. It's up to like the lateral third or so. So I'll do that for both eyes. And I'll probably go in with this bronzy colour again. And just do the kind of middle-ish areas. I'm just blending it out a bit. And same on the other side, so middle to inner corner. And then I'm going to put on eyeliner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put my eyeliner on. Usually I kind of just do like really small wings. I don't really go for the dramatic cut eye look. But I guess this makes me look a bit more human. I don't know. Anyway, so I'll show you what other colours that I can sometimes use to just kind of play up the looks a bit. So I guess this is like an everyday or even night out look that I normally go for. Like nothing too dramatic. But if I'm going to a festival or if I just feel like it, then I might use something like this one. This is the Huda Beauty Gemstone palette, and I'll show you the inside as well. So it is actually amazing. It's so beautiful. And I'm probably going to go for this purple one, this coppery one, and this blue one because I feel adventurous. Okay, so I'm going to probably go for this coppery one first and just put a bit on my finger like so. Nope. Okay, and just put it in the middle of my eye. Just kind of blending it out a bit. Okay. Also, I'm actually like kind of just playing with this right now, so if I really stuff off, wow, it's all on camera. Okay, and with this other one as well, so in the middle in particular. Oh, I shouldn't have gone in the inner corners so much. I'm just kind of balancing out the other side a bit more. Just bring it more to the outside. Okay, and then with a smaller brush, similar to before, it's going for that purple now, just for that purple here. Alrighty, let's. Okay, so this is a wild experiment. Now I'm gonna go in with that blue. So this blue here. Wow, my and I'm just gonna run it along the bottom eye line. So probably starting from the outer corner. And then I usually like to take a very light eyeshadow just to kind of highlight the inner corners of my eyes. So something like maybe this top one. So this one here would be probably a really good one just to highlight the inner corners, to brighten up the eyes. And I probably should change brushes, but I just can't be bothered right now. So this is okay. So I mean, I guess this is the final product. It's pretty much just what I was doing before. I mean, I guess a close-up. So let me just bring the camera closer. So as you can see, probably maybe, there are like blue eyeshadow underneath. There's a little bit on the kind of top corner, outer corner as well, that I kind of just put a bit just so that it blends out, but otherwise this is like my party or festival look. Yeah, but otherwise this is how I do my eyeshadows. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.